Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll tell you about top 5 UI UX courses on Coursera. So without any further ado, let's get started. In this video I'll be covering the overview of the courses, that is what is the price of the course and some brief knowledge about the course. I'll not be going into much detail of what you can learn in this course, cause you can see it by going to the course content and clicking the view more button, and from here you can see what all you will learn in a specific course. First, we have Google UX Design course by Google. This is one of the courses in Grow with Google program, which is started by Google so that people who don't have a professional degree can also do well in the industry. This course is taught in English, and no prior experience is required to do this course. And if you invest 10 hours on a weekly basis, then you can complete this course within 6 months. This time is good for beginners, but if you are practicing UI UX since last 3 or 4 months, then you can complete the course in 2 months, around 2 months. Google says that this course helps you to get job ready, and it provides you with some projects and tasks for practice. When you have completed all course and projects, then you can have access to the certificate. Now the beneficial part is that since it is a professional certificate, if there are any companies who are hiring partners with this course, then they'll recognize your certificate and it will help you to get a job in that company. This course comes under Coursera Plus, so to do this course you have to purchase a monthly subscription, which is around $39 per month. It can vary with your location. Moving forward, we have User Experience Research and Design Specialization by Michigan University, and I want to let you know that Michigan University has a world ranking of 20th. The course is taught in English with a number of available subtitles. You can read them here. Now, if you give 2 hours per week, then you will take 9 months to complete this course. I'll recommend you to give at least 10 hours a week, because you should not give 9 months to a single course, as UI UX is more about practicing and less about the theory part. To do this course, no prior experience is required, and after you complete all courses and hands-on projects, you will get a certificate which you can share with your employers, and you can share it on LinkedIn profile as well. The program comes under Coursera Plus, so as I told you earlier, to do this course you have to purchase a monthly subscription of around $39. Next, we have UI UX Design Specialization course by California Institute of Arts. This course brings a design-centric approach to user interface and user experience design. The course can also be taken by those who have no prior experience in design, and the suggested timeline for the course is 5 hours per week, so you can complete this course in 4 months. If you have some experience in UI UX, then I'll suggest you to complete this course in 2 months. The course is taught in English with these many subtitles. This course is good for those who want to learn web design. After you complete one course, you will get some practice projects that you will have to complete. Once you complete all courses and projects, you can have access to the certificate, which is shareable. This course also comes under Coursera Plus, so you have to buy a monthly subscription of around $39 per month to do this course. On fourth number, we have Interaction Design course by University of California, San Diego. This course is very good for those people who want to improve their thought process and user experience. To do this course, you need to have some basic information about UI, UX and design. Talking about timeline, you can complete this course in 9 months if you give 4 hours per week. This course is taught in English, and you can see the subtitles below. After you complete all the courses and hands-on projects, you will get a shareable certificate. At last, we have Introduction to User Experience Design by Georgia Tech, and this is extremely beneficial for those who have no experience with UI UX. It is a beginner level course, and you just need to invest 7 hours to complete this course. After completing this course, you will know the basics of design very well, and then you can move forward to some in-depth course and complete them as well. After you have watched a video and completed some simple quiz based on the video, you will be able to move forward to the next video. After you have watched all videos, you can purchase the certificate if you want it. The course content is absolutely free, but you have to purchase the certificate if you want it. So with this, we have completed the top 5 UI UX courses on Coursera. I'll recommend you not to waste much time in choosing courses, as all courses cover almost the same topic. Just pick up any course and try to finish it, as courses can only give you the initial guidance or the initial boost that you want at an early stage of your career. But you have to keep this in mind that the more you practice, the more you become better at design. So thank you very much guys for watching the video. Take care and I'll see you until the next one.